everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and edit text in Blender. So, to add text, go to Add menu and Text. To edit it, switch to Edit mode and type. To move the cursor, use the arrow keys. And to select, hold Shift and then use the arrow keys. Right click, Text, and you can toggle bold, toggle italic, toggle underline, or toggle small caps. Now, go to Object Data Properties. You can set the resolution, like this. If you turn on fast editing and go to edit mode, you can see that you get outlines. You can extrude this by going to Geometry, Extrude, Offset, and give it depth by going to Bevel, you can change the font by going to the font and select a font. You can transform it, the size of it, and also shear it. And here we have alignment in paragraph. There's also character spacing, and word spacing. If you turn on fast editing, you can also see that you don't get any geometry here. You can also add a curve. Then text on curve and select curve. Set the underline position and its thickness. Set the offset. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.